Is your parrot experiencing unwanted behavior, screaming, biting, feather plucking, unwanted fears, hormonal behavior? Naturally calm your parrot down with UnRuffledRx Parrot Calming Formula. This non-sedating formula can be mixed with water or sprinkled on moist food, such as a strawberry or grape. Made with L-Theanine, a safe natural amino acid found in green tea. It's known to take the edge off without causing sedation. May be served daily. For feather plucking, combined with feathered up. Best when combined with behavior modification and other training strategies. So, calm unwanted behaviors as quickly with this safe formula.